Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your very own drop down list here in Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so for this one you want to make sure you are here in the document and you have a list that you'd like to add to your drop down. So you can see we have some fruit right here. Now we're going to find the cell we'd like to use. Let's use this one for example. Let's give it a bit of color. What we're going to do is click on this and then go again up to data at the top of your screen and click on data validation. Once you've clicked this, go down to allow and click on the drop down and click on list. From here you need to make sure in cell drop down is selected, and in source you need to select the list of things you'd like to appear in the drop down. So you can move this out of the way and make sure that it's selected. Then just click apply and you can see the little button's arrived, and as soon as we click on the cell we have the option to choose what we'd like. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.